Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I was out here cutting grass and weed eating, and I noticed a little caterpillar nest, or a tree caterpillar nest here in my fruit trees. And not only in this tree, I had it in two other trees. Luckily, I noticed them. I would have noticed them eventually, but maybe too late, because these guys here, if you let them go, they'll all come out and start eating all your fruits and your leaves and all that stuff. They just munch on everything, and we don't want that. So let me show you a quick and easy way. You can physically remove them, obviously, and smash them, or you can use some neem oil and dish soap mixed with water. All you do is get 1 gallon of water. I mix it strong. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of, I use organic first cold pressed neem oil. So that's 2 tablespoons of that, and then 2 teaspoons of dish soap of your liking. Usually people use Dawn for that. Mix it really good, put it in a pump sprayer, and let me show you what it does. Alright, so we got our pump sprayer here. Now, this web that they use also acts to repel rain, but if you get it right on there and squirt it in there, it'll go right inside. And don't forget to shake your pump sprayer real good. And also get it from the other side. Well, it's been about 3 or 4 minutes, because if you look here, I got a little stick. No movement. They are dead. And if you look here on the back side, you can see there's a big cluster of them in there, but there is no movement, and they are all dead. So that literally took 3 to 4 minutes, and they are dead. Now I can physically remove them. I don't have to worry about them falling on the ground, crawling everywhere, not finding the ones that fell, and eating all your fruits and your leaves and all that stuff, and making a mess out of your trees. So to me, that's a good way of doing it. It's quick and easy, and no chemicals. That's the important thing. There's no chemicals involved. No harsh chemicals, put it that way. Did you see that caterpillar on me? I'm lucky to be alive. Mommy!